Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Shorts Generator feature inside vidIQ to create viral YouTube Shorts in minutes.
Right.
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So I have the vidIQ feature for one of my channel with the Pro subscription, and the feature I'm going to show you is with the vidIQ Pro subscription. You can see over here the short generator option. Now, why this tool is important is if you are struggling with what to post on shorts or script ideas, this can seriously save you time. So to showcase an example, I am just giving it a prompt. I'll target global, right? So I've just given it a prompt and clicked on go. Now it will create basically basis my prompt. The stronger your prompt, the better the output it will be, right? Now, what it will do is it will create a scroll stopping hook, structured tips, or optimize CTA, right? So do ensure the prompt is good to create better shots. So now you can see this has created short. So they have used the auto dubbing as the hack for increasing your reach, and so basically they have created a whole YouTube short with captions, with audio, with the overall short, which you can just directly use. You can download it from here or even publish it to your shorts if you have linked your vidIQ to your YouTube channel. So now how to make short generator work better is you have to be very specific with prompts. I hadn't mentioned the hack what was to be used to create this short, or you can mention the audience location, you can define the tone clearly how you want it to be, and always tweak the hook. AI will give you structure, but you will add the personality to the short. And why this is a powerful tool is because you can just give prompt, create shorts, grow subscribers, test content ideas, reach non-subscribers, and drive traffic to long form videos via your YouTube shorts. Right. So this helps you remove the idea block. If you have liked this tutorials and it has helped you, like this video, comment shorts if you want more AI tool tutorials, and subscribe for weekly YouTube growth strategies.